Okay, so I think I'm streaming again. I think I am. I always have to go and like bring up the Chrome browser and make sure. Yeah, okay. Probably I've got decent audio now. I don't know how long it will last. Yeah, okay. So let's try this again. I think I'm willing to test this out. I'll go ahead and make some clip ranges around it. Make sure it fades to 0 at the end. Set in my markers that show where the start and end of each sound effect is. All right. Markers. They must have good names because they will end up being the names of the files. So we'll call it grass walk 1, grass walk 2. Save that, mix it down. Okay. Now I know this is going to be way too loud. What happened to my last marker? It just didn't do the last one. I need the last one. Okay. Okay. Compared to walk, this is down under -27. So let's do a similar thing with this. Seemed like that might be a little too much. We'll say -15. Yeah, it looks closer. Okay, take all these guys and do that. Okay, then I want to export them to individual files. And I think I'll live dangerously and just put them right into the assets directory. 44 mono 16. Looks good. Okay. Then if I come over here, it's got a little glue work to do, and then I should be able to play it. Curious if I normalized on walk. No, I didn't. Okay, I said don't normalize because I've got the volume how I like it inside of the sample already. Just leave it be. So force to mono, don't normalize. Yeah, force to mono, don't normalize. Apply. Force to mono, don't normalize. Apply. Okay. Yeah, I think so too. The workflow for the sound effects has been really great. Okay, so then I've got the addressable flag sets. That means I can come over to my code now and start hooking all that up. Let's see. Sound effect manager. I'll take walk as a pattern, and I'll just paste it in here. This will be grass walk. So addressable, it's a newer feature of Unity. I think they added it in the last year or two. If you mark an asset as addressable, you can use the same code to load in that asset in editor plays or in player builds. So it's a nice simplification. You don't have to build bundles every time that you want to play an asset. You don't have to do things like create references to the assets you want in your game objects in your scene. So it's just a way to load in assets that is pretty convenient, I think. They do have way too many options as far as how you load in assets. But this newest way of doing it, I think, works pretty well. Yeah. Yeah. And it also it lets you set the path explicitly. So if you move your assets around, this addressable thing here is still the path that gets used. So it's nice to sort of be abstracted away from its actual location at times. Alright, so that is grass walk. That's going to load that. And then the other thing I need is in sound effects. Yep. Yeah, I kind of hated all the asset loading and bundle stuff until they put in the addressable system. There's some slowdown. I better look at what I can close. Got a million things open right now. Get rid of logic. Okay. Something's up. Huh. Yeah, it's right there. It starts getting a little bit nuts. Like it's gonna do a lookup, and it takes a long time. Yeah, I cannot abide this. This is not sustainable. I'll wait for the next thing, and then I'm just gonna save it, and I'll just exit out of here because it doesn't seem to be behaving well. Go ahead. Go ahead. Oh, that might be the whole thing. Let's cancel. Run. Stop attaching. That could be the whole thing right there. Okay. Grass. Walk. Okay, down here. There was something that was slowing down everything I typed inside the IDE. It turned out it was the debugger. So I stopped the debugger, and suddenly things were going all right. I don't know why exactly. So then let's see. Then I want to make down below. We'll do walk. Do grass walk. I'll go back up and look at it in a second. I am often particular about these things. Here or down here? Not sure which thing you're referring to. Give me a line number, and then I'll zero in on that. Oh, if you don't mind. I shouldn't be all pushy like that. 48. I started a new line basically. I thought I'll continue to add stuff in there. I just started a new line. Have it before push. Well, these are just alphabetical. Oh, I see what you're saying. I think these are not alphabetical here. That's the issue. Let's fix that bit of consistency. So, okay, that's actually a welcome bit of OCD right there. So I hate it when you got a list that you think is alphabetical, but it's got something that's not actually. So then you start adding in, and at some point you notice it's a big unsorted mess, and it's kind of hard to straighten it out. All right, good eye, good eye. So grass walk is down here. Nothing's calling it yet. Let's see what calls walk. Oh, come on. Piece walked effect. Okay. So here's the effect where the sound effects plays, and I need to check for grass. Probably the caller should do that though. Okay, let's do public enum. I'm overthinking it. Okay, bool is grass. This will be why does it need the board? Doing something with the board. Oh yeah, okay. Okay, down here we say okay. Might do it. I think it's got a 53% chance of working the first time. Okay, let's build it. Third-party code. Okay. Yeah, I'm feeling pretty decent about it. I mean, I give it a 89% chance of working on the second run. Enough of this. Nope, sun didn't work. Alright. Oh, this is like a totally different bug. When I changed the prefab player, player prefab, I didn't update this level, so it's complaining about that. I can fix that pretty easily. Let's not be so cocky though. Let's turn off maximize so I can see what happens in the console. I also see something about an audio clip not loading. Invalid key exception. Okay, let's take a look. So let's compare and contrast. One that does work, walk one, is looks like that. and the one that does not work. Grass walk. It's like this. Look the same. Okay. That seems like it's fine. Double check this. Invalid key exception on this SFX grasswalk1.wav. Okay, this is what you tried to load. That also matches exactly. I usually do not have problems with this. Grasswalk 2 also did not load. 3 did not load. Okay, let me look at the file itself. Make sure it plays. It looks healthy. Yeah, looks healthy. All right. It does the compression to OGG as a default. So I think they're all Vorbis, after they get imported. So if I look at, here's walk 1, it's Vorbis. If I go to Grasswalk, it's also Vorbis. I'm gonna run this again and see what happens. Yeah, I think it might have been the other player thing that kind of screwed it up. Okay, so there's that guy. Huh. It doesn't sound good. It works, but it doesn't sound good. I don't like the sounds. This is that same problem I always have, which is I try to make something that sounds kind of cool inside of... Yeah, well, that was me trying to be clever and make it sound like a cooler sound. By combining two sounds together, and it just sounds like too much. That one there has got like the kind of extra to do. All right, Drifter. Thanks for stopping by. Mr. Hockey Man with the sticks. Up there in the Canadian North. The crazy ranch with all of its logistics. Have a good night, buddy. Maybe I just want to tone down that one sample. Maybe after that It's not bad. That sure. You're right, that one sounds crazy. That one's gotta go or be revised. That one's okay. That one's okay. She's that sure. Yeah. Yeah, get rid of the double step. And then we'll see where we're at after that. Okay. I gotta remember the things I did for that was add one marker and bring the amplitude down. Okay, so this is probably the double step one right here. So I'm pretty sure this is the one. Let me. I feel like this has got to be it right here, but it's a little bit hard to hear it, so. Oop. I can. I forget how to do it. If I'm being totally honest with you, I think it's something with you know when you're close to just finishing something and you don't want to go off and like figure out one other thing. Okay, this might also be it. Let's get rid of this one. I don't want them to sound so incredibly different from each other either. So let's repeat one of these guys. Yeah, screw it. Let's take this one out too. Okay, one of the ones on top is much higher pitched than the other. It's a middle one. So let's bring that one to a lower pitch. Effects rack, clip. I think it'll sound better than what we have for sure. Well, this guy kind of, yeah, bring the volume down a little bit on it. Okay, save that. Okay, let's do another export. Oh, that's weird. Like it's putting all this stuff over. Hold on, what's going on with that? That doesn't seem right. If I come back to here, they're evenly spaced. Maybe. Okay, hold on. That's looks like a bug in Addition. Because this should be matching up. I'm not sure what to think about that one. Okay. Let me space these out much more. In fact, I won't even worry about the markers. Let's even delete the markers. Well, I guess I can leave them. I'll get the names from them. Okay. That. Okay. And then this should be right up on it. Okay. Save that. Export again. Okay, at least there's a gap. Maybe it doesn't line up exactly as I want it to, but okay. Fair chance this will work. Just delete the extra stuff. Set the amplitude down. Oops. There we go. And one more marker at the end. Merge those. Boom. Save the files. And it should be ready to go. You can see if the new sounds are there. Yeah, oh, it made a copy. Made a copy. Didn't overwrite the old ones. Alright. Fine. Fine. Okay, I gotta remember to delete the previous ones before the export. So it should still have the meta files, which have the addressable stuff in it and all that, I think. So then let's go to GK. Assets. Project. Audio. SFX. Delete, delete, delete. These other ones, I think those are the extra meta files for the copies. I don't need those. Double check. Yep. Okay. Now, I believe Unity is smart enough to kind of pick up on that on its own. So we should still have, yeah, all that same settings here, different files. It's not bad. Sounds like kind of like your normal walking sound, which is pretty unobtrusive. The middle one's still like Yeah, I gotta do something with the middle one. Maybe just redo it so it doesn't use that that one kind of. Other than that, I like it. Yeah, even a little I might even make peace with. I got to think about a little bit. Because it's not supposed to be like a realistic set of sounds. It's just maybe supposed to evoke, but mainly be more instrument oriented. Obviously, that's not a realistic sound. Walking up the stairs. Not a realistic sound. Falling down, not realistic. And I've got the volume max. I'll put a more normal volume. There, I can barely hear walking. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna have to. I don't know. I might have to put it away and listen to it again tomorrow and see how I feel about it tomorrow. 'Cause sometimes, like you listen to sound or music that you've made for too long, and it's hard to know what you think about it. Yeah. So I think this is probably a good. Yeah, it's like tunnels of the ears. There are tunnels going in my ears, and they're only hearing certain aspects. Hey, thanks for sending me the thing in the whisper too. I'll take a listen to it. But yeah, I'm gonna shut down the stream here. Declare victory. Mission accomplished. And tomorrow, I don't have any like leftover tasks, so I'll just like get right in on something more ambitious. That's how it goes with music. Even like if you make like really awesome music, like it'll leave somebody cold. It's just everyone's taste is different. So yeah, I'll give it a listen. And yeah, I actually appreciate that you said that. When I give my music to other people to listen to, and I rarely do, I never like wait to hear their opinion on it. If they like it, they like it. They don't like it, they don't like it. That kind of thing. All right, man. I'm gonna shut it down. Oh, don't know. Yeah. All right. I'll see you. Get some food. Stopping the stream.